Hi, I'm Neil from Bridgewater Sewing Centre, and it's just an installation video on the 8700. First, we'll start. You would put your machine, before you put your machine in, you put these two hinges in. Sit the machine down in there. Stick this post here. Give it a little tap. I'm not going to push it in that hard. Just let your machine rest back on the post. You're going to have this plunger. Put it down in there. You're going to put your oil in up between the low and the high mark. It'll take basically the container that's with the machine. Once you've got the oil in, you put the machine back down into the stand. You're going to see a plug here. That's this one here, your power cord. There's only one way it'll go back into place again. Snap that into place. This piece together. You're going to have another cord coming up from the bottom of the stand. There's only one way that goes on. That's for your foot pedal. And it snaps in right here. Basically it. Put your thread stand on. You're ready to go.